Hey guys, so how are you? All right, so I'm doing one of these videos today. I wanted to talk to you guys about the mortgage industry, the commercial mortgage industry, as an African American, and this is like a sensitive area because it's not talked about much. But you know, mortgage, there's a lot of superstars that are very familiar with residential property. But after you get into the after residential, they have no clue about a commercial property, how to get a commercial property, how to get commercial real estate. They have no clue uh, how to get a shopping plaza. And I drive by shopping plazas all day, every day. So my whole thing is, I want to change that philosophy. I want to teach guys that they can do loans on these buildings. They can get people in the community owning these facilities and locations and whatnot. They can make it make sense. You know what I mean? We got big companies buying up places. You can own it. You can make the money. You know what I mean? I don't want uh, people to think that it's not possible. It is possible. You know what I mean? You can own the shopping plaza. You can own the hotel. You can own. You know what I mean? With that being said, my complete goal is to teach you how to do it. One is to teach you how to do it. Two, to ensure that you are getting the proper treatment for it. And three, if you're not, you can go about the right way to get the proper treatment. So my entire goal, and I'm on this journey, is to help people not just in my community but all over learn how to get and close a commercial real estate loan transaction, whether it's a investment property where they're paying you rent, or you're trying to get like a big complex or like a building of some sort, maybe a shopping center. My goal is to help you uh, close those loans, get more people in it, get more people exposed to that opportunity. And upon doing that, um, you'll be able to go a long way. You'll be able to go a long way. A, you own the property, you own the facility. B, you're obtaining rental income. C, you're respected because you're able to own that. And then finally, I want you to know that as long as you can do that, you can own many more facilities. You can own many more facilities. There's people out here. There's people out here that buy the land and then they end up building their commercial property. There's people that find a facility already in existence and then they turn around and buy it. And I want us to take advantage of those same opportunities. If you don't know if you don't know what to do, you see it, you want it, you don't have a realtor, you don't have somebody to help you in the commercial arena, shoot me a message. I will reach out. I will help. Me personally. If not, if I can't do it because I'm tied up, I have somebody else on my team reach out to you and get you facilitated. All right? One of the biggest things that I know is when there's opportunity out there, you have to take advantage of it because opportunity is not going to close itself. You have to take advantage. You have to go the extra mile. You have to go the way to allow you to achieve it. And sometimes it's just asking the questions. Ask the questions. Seeing the right cause. And if you ask the right questions, you get the right answers. When you get the right answers, you make the right movement. When you make the right movement, hey, next thing you know, you're in a beautiful commercial facility, and people are respecting you. People want to know how did you do it. People want to get tips and advice from you, and it just changes the perception of you and your whole business. So um, I can't stress enough. Take advantage if you see the opportunity, even if it's a gas station, a little shopping center, whatever it is. Take advantage of the opportunity. You know what I mean? A lot of times we just don't know about the opportunity. And there's big, beautiful shopping centers all over the place. Millions and millions of dollars that are out there. Take advantage of the facility. I know there's a lot of guys out there that do fix and flips. You can do the same thing on a commercial property. All right? So take advantage of it. If you don't know what to do, reach out to me. You know, I'll spend 30 minutes with you, talk to you, and give you that guidance that you're looking for. So with that being said, man, if you haven't already, take a moment, hit the little subscribe button below, and join, add, because I'm gonna be putting a lot of great stuff out there for you guys, man. I'm gonna be putting a lot of great information out for you guys. Join, add, whatever you gotta do, but get in there, get the information, enjoy it. It's worth it. I can't stress it to you enough. You know what I mean? I can't stress it to you enough. Ownership is key, and if you don't know how to obtain ownership, reach out to me. I'll help you. Save your money, invest in the property, because you probably heard it so many times. Invest in real estate, own real estate, invest in real estate. So many times you probably heard it. You know what I mean? Take advantage of it. If you're not a stock market guy, take advantage of the real estate market. Up, down, there's always an advantage to be gained. All right? So, my name is Rick Charles. If you don't know me, you can find me, add me, subscribe, do all those good things, and we'll continue talking so much. Thank you.